Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and our topic today is the information that a lot of you may already know, but Gold's Gym International is filing to restructure under Chapter 11. And what I want to talk to you about with this kind of news is, what does it mean to you as an independent gym operator, and what does it mean to you as someone who's looking to enter the business and enter the industry? I know from a personal perspective, at least what's happening right now, is we're receiving a significant uptick in inquiries of folks that want to get into the fitness industry, folks that want to acquire clubs, and quite frankly, folks that are looking for opportunities out there. And certainly you would expect all of that, right? And so the first thing for you folks that are looking to get into the industry, when you hear things like, Gold's Gym is, looking to restructure, they're looking to close, potentially, corporate facilities, I think 32 of them, there's going to be other folks that are doing this, and it won't necessarily be restructuring or bankruptcies or things like that, just places that'll close down. I mean, it's estimated that, roughly 43% of small businesses will close. Well, what this is going to do, for you folks that are looking to enter the industry and looking to enter the business, this is going to be a significant opportunity for you. You can potentially, depending on when you get there and how you're marketing toward doing this, you can potentially, acquire facilities or gain access to facilities that are completely finished out, indeed may still have equipment in it, and if you get there quickly, you might be able to assume a member base, and you could either A, just pick that up and hey, let's start going with it, or B, that could become a pre-sales and you're going to, remodel it and things of that nature. So a lot of money can be saved, because typically, when you're looking to open a new facility, I would look initially at three things as far as cost. A, finish out allowance, may be done for you already. B, the cost of your equipment, maybe that's in the deal and landlord will let that stay. And then three is that ramp up, to profitability and signing up new members. So a lot of interesting opportunities right there, understanding of clubs that are closing, all across the country. Now, the second thing that I would be thinking about here is for you folks that are already in business, is I would suggest contacting, I would get a pretty wide reach. I would do at least 5 miles and reaching out to all these gym owners, big and small, every single one of them, letting them know that you are interested in acquiring the assets of these gyms. Because, we read about, restructures and things that are going on, but there's plenty that's not reported. There's plenty that we don't read about. And these are going to be opportunities for you to really, in many cases, exponentially grow your business. So I'd be, whether it be emails or text messages or using snail mail, I would be getting the word out that you're interested in acquiring the assets of these other gyms. You want to acquire that dues base. You want those website URLs. You want those phone numbers pointed to you. You want those email databases. You want those guest registers. You want those inquiry sheets. You want those renewal lists. You want to acquire those assets. And, depending on circumstances, a lot of folks just might say, well, hey, let's work something out here pretty favorable and let's get this done. So this is going to be a great opportunity for you to really expand your existing business, and I would really suggest every operator do this. And the third thing, some clubs are simply going to be slow to getting open, and indeed may not open, but they're going to be slow to getting open, and making sure that you have, if you're an existing operator, you're marketing toward all this in your marketplace. Something as simple as, show proof of membership at another club, for special discount, something that simple maybe. And maybe you can convert them and they want to join your facility, or B, if they don't, maybe selling them some kind of a gift card or some kind of a punch card, or, some kind of certificate where they can maybe get, 30 visits during a period of time or whatever. But there's going to be some significant revenue opportunities here. So when you're looking at this, there's a lot of opportunity. Clubs are going to be closing. It's going to happen. Some big names. It's going to create opportunity out there, whether you're an existing operator or if you're looking to get in the business. Hey, my name is Jim Thomas. Hey, if you enjoy the content, if you would, hit the subscribe button below. We appreciate it. We look forward to talking with you soon.